Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore A/B testing in Google Optimize alternatives for affiliates. Complete guide step by step clearly. To restore A/B testing in Google Optimize alternatives for affiliates, start by identifying your specific goals for the test. Determine which metrics you'll focus on to measure success. Research reliable A/B testing tools that align with your objectives. Some popular alternatives include Optimizely, VWO, and Convert. Sign up for an account with your chosen tool. Familiarize yourself with the interface and features available. Install the necessary tracking code on your website as per the selected tools guidelines. Create your variation or variations of the page you want to test. Ensure that each variation serves a different purpose or design element. Set up the A/B test by defining the parameters in the tool's dashboard. Specify the traffic allocation for each variation in the test. Select your target audience for the test to ensure relevant data collection. Determine the duration of the test based on your traffic levels. Launch the A/B test and monitor it closely for performance. Collect data and analyze the results using the tool's reporting features. Evaluate which variation performed better based on your predefined metrics. Implement the winning variation on your website after the test concludes. Regularly revisit your A/B testing strategy to refine and improve future tests. Consider running additional tests to continuously optimize your site for conversions. Stay updated on new features or tools in the A/B testing landscape to enhance your strategies. Document your processes and learnings from each test for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.